Hello, my fellow YouTubers. This is my cousin Gabriel and my cousin Noelle. And my cousin Gabriel is going to be burping randomly, alright? Oh yeah, by the way, that's my bed in the background. Now start to burp. And it smells! Where did you get all those burps from?
Nowhere.
Just keep on doing it. You can't? Alright, you can get a heart attack. Please don't you do that.
Now YouTube photos, this is how you contact somebody that tries to hack your
walkie-talkies.
Yes. You might don't want to burn your walkie-talkies, so just put them.
Stop! You're gonna burn my walkie-talkies.
Okay, look.
I'll see you on YouTube.
You see? Now you're supposed to find a good signal place, and then you'll find it. Now I've tried it a lot of times, so listen to me. It's real good.
Cheese.
Like that.
Just move like you were doing before. Do the mamba.
Now this is how you do the mamba walkie-talkie
version.
Signal version.
I look like a dog staring at the sun in that picture.
Now you can see it that I just got signal from that mirror.
Now look at these pictures. Pictures of fame. Oh yeah, by the way, my name's Sophia. Alright. I'll see you guys soon. I hope you guys enjoyed this small video. And
I heard a very short one.
alright.
Oh yeah, I forgot about the spy knock.
Oh yeah.
I was like,
Alright, Gabriel, can you do the burp finale? Try to burp the ABCs.
okay. Sorry, I can't.
But just burp randomly.
I could do the ABCs, it's just that it takes a lot of remembering the ABCs because
ABC.
Alright, this is getting a bit awkward. I'm just gonna stop the video because before something crazy happens.